The mean, median, and mode, and electronics companies getting feedback on the battery life of their tablets. They test 7 batteries at random, and they record the time it takes to run from 100 to 0%, so just to wind down the battery. These are results. Find the mean, median, and range of these batteries. All right, so look, half this stuff doesn't really make a difference, right? Like, find the mean, the median, and the range of these batteries. I'd start with the range. We're at the bottom to the top. I'd order them first in terms of ability, or in terms of where they are at. So 8.4. What's next? Is it 8.6? What's next? Is it, and I just go 8.4, 8.6, 8.9, and then 9.3, 9.2, sorry, 9.2, 9.3, and then 9.7, and then zoom out a small bit. And what's the last one? 10.3. So I'd order them first, 10.3. I'd order them first in terms of where they're at. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9.3 here. 5, 6, 7. So just 7 of them there. Just 7. All right. And they're all crossed off. Now, what's the range? The range from the bottom to the top. All right. So the range goes from, what's the bottom? You can do it like this. 8.4 to 10.3. That's okay. Okay. You can leave like that. That's all right. The range. The median is the middle number. And this is 7. So go across. If you go up 3, so the number in the middle, go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Go back 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the middle number. 3 either side. It's right in the middle. It's 9.2. So the median is 9.2. The median is 9.2, and you have to put them into order first. 9.2. It's the middle number. All right. And then the mean is not so bad to find, really. You add them all up and you divide by 7 because there's 7 there. So you just go 8.4 plus 8.6. Add them all up, tick them all off, add them all up, and see what you get. All right, see what you get. And you divide by 7 and you'll get the mean. I'm not going to get that there, but that's it. That's how you get the mean. Even if you did that much, you'd be getting almost full marks in the question. What's the last part say here? The researchers tested one more battery and the mean value increased to 9.25 hours. Find the time it takes for this battery to run from 100 to 0%. Okay, they tested one more battery. So you had 7 batteries and was 7 on the bottom of the mean. So look, we're looking for mean. The mean, and I would write this down. The mean just means add them up, and divide by the total number that's there. Now, the last total number was 7, right? The last total number was 7. So we can just say in this one here, mean is going to be equal to something divided by now 8, because we added an extra battery, so it's 8. And you just go back from the start again. It's 8.4 plus whatever the total was, plus what was the next one up? 8.4 plus 8.6. And do you know the number? Because you did an extra test, but you don't know what that battery life is. Just go dot to dot. So that's the rest of them. You don't know the final number, so you can just say plus what? If you don't know something, what you call it? Plus X. And that is equal to, if you add them all up and add the X, you're going to get a new battery life of 9.25. Now, this is the part that you need me. I'll just show you the last part. 9.25 gives you the mean. And you want to finish this off. So, look, whatever this adds up to, your 8.4. So, I'll just leave this as your 8.4 plus, all your 8.6 and all that is equal to 9.25, because you're getting rid of the fraction. You could just multiply 8 on both sides. So, you multiply 8 here, gets rid of this. But then you have to multiply 8 on this side. And that's where 8 comes in. And you can work from there. And don't forget your little X's here at the back. So you'd add all these up, whatever it gives you. Add them all up. And you're going to say, put it all equal to 9.25 by X. Calculator. You're going to say 9.25 by 8 is equal to 74. So if I was to finish this off, just because some of you will be looking for it. If I was to say, 8.4 plus 8.6 plus 8.9 plus 9.2 plus and 9.3 plus 9.7 plus 10.3. We're nearly there. 64.4. So it becomes, here we are, 64.4 plus x is equal to 74. X is equal to 74. Take 64.4. And that gives me 9.6. So x is equal to 9.6, and that's the battery life. Voila! Ta-da! That's it. That was the new battery life. So 9.6 is the find the time it takes that battery to run from 100 is 9.6.